What's up everyone, this is Rakesh here once again. Welcome to the session of Oracle SQL. So guys, in our last session what we have learned? We have learned the float function. Now what exactly we are going to discuss in this session? So in this session we are going to discuss the ceil function. Yes, that is the topic which we are going to discuss in this session. So let's begin. So guys, what is ceil function? Ceil function is nothing but it is used to give the upper side value of a decimal number. Okay, so that is nothing but your ceil function. Ceil functions comes under the number function. Now you can say that, can you give me one example? I didn't understand. So let's discuss that too. So let's say for example, if you have some value 3.5 or 3.4, let's say for example 3.4 you have value, and if you apply the ceil function on this 3.4, then what would be the value? Value will be your, of course, 4, because it's upper side. It will always give the upper side, and instead of this number you can pass the column name as well. So that is nothing but your ceil function. It's a pretty simple. I do not need to explain much on this. Okay, so let's see the syntax part. What exactly the syntax of the ceil function? So guys, as you can see on your screen, this is the syntax of the ceil function. Over here you can pass the some numeric value or column name as well. So guys, I hope the syntax is clear. Now let's go for the practical. Over there you will understand in detail. Okay, so let's go for the practical. So guys, just right now we have seen the theory part of the ceil function. Now it's time for the practice. So let's begin. So as you can see on the screen, this is the syntax of the ceil function, in which it required the only one argument, and that argument is numeric value or column, and column should have the number data type. That only allowed over here. Okay guys, so this is the ceil function syntax. Now let's understand this with the help of one example. So guys, as you can see over here, this is the query I have written in order to explain the ceil function, in which I have passed the some numeric value which is 9.7. so what is the output of the ceil function? Ceil function always returns the upper side value. So what is the upper side value of 9.7? Upper value of the 9.7 is 10, so it will give the 10 value. So as you can see over here, this gives the 10 value. So this is what the ceil function. Now guys, instead of this numeric value, you can use the any column which is having the number data type. So let's understand this with the help of one number data type column. Ceil, I want to apply this on the commission. Okay, which is in the over here. So let's see what is the output. So as you can see on the screen, this is the original value and this is after the ceil function applying. Okay, so what is the upper side value of this 0.43? It is always 1. So this is the ceil function. Now let me show you some other value. So as you can see over here, this always gives the upper side value. So this is what all about the ceil function. Now let me show you over here also. I want to show one more thing. Let's say for example, I will write over here, then what it will give? Tell me fast. 9, because upper side value of 9 is only 9, means it can go only till the whole number. Whatever is the whole number, it should not have the decimal after applying the ceil function. If I will write over here 1, then it will give the next whole number. What is next whole number of 9.1 is 10, so it will give the 10. If I will even write 9.01, then also it will give the 10. So this is how it will work the ceil function, guys. So I hope you have understood what exactly the ceil function. Ceil function is nothing but it is used to give the upper side value of some decimal number or some decimal value. Okay, so this is all about the ceil function. Now let's go for the assignment.